Y'all, this is pregnancy food. I got a bacon chocolate chip cookie. This is a craving food. Oh my gosh. Them sliders look good as a... Y'all, before I forget, we at Condado Beach. We're at the beach strip. All right, we are at Condado Beach. Y'all, I gotta chill. My cheeks hanging out. But we just had the best food. Miramar food truck place. Worth checking out. Lemonade, that bubble tea lemonade was so good. The food, you had what? Damn, I forgot the name already. What's it on your thing? I'm done. Lechona. I'm done. It's right there. He had lechona. I had pita, just because I wasn't trying to eat nothing like too heavy, but it was all really, really, really good. To be honest, we tried 3 different trucks. None of them disappointed. Walking past La Marqueta, another little food area. So you got plenty to eat, plenty to do. But yeah, we're gonna go to the beach, set up. We got a blanket, chairs, all that good stuff. Whew, and that's gonna be the day. Ah! Oh man. We lit. Y'all. The vlog is hitting. Yeah. Huh? Bom. Screaming. Y'all, I got 7%. Came out here to record, got 7%. She's fumbling so bad. I'm gonna make this most out the 7% though. We got pineapples, we got a coconut bowl that I purposely brought to this island just to record. And pouches, Capri Sun alcoholic pouches. What? I mean, spicy juice. What? Stop. I live in fairy tale land, y'all. Your girl, your ex-girl, whatever, is crazy. Cause she does. Y'all, I got a bowl of pineapples. So I'm about to record real quick, my little 7%. And then I'm gonna catch a tan. I can't talk. I'm going to change, put on some sunscreen, and then just sit in the sun real quick. I'll talk to you. Oh my gosh. I'm looking at myself because I'm like cute. Hold up. Tip, always come to the beach with a big blanket because this is... Okay. How you feel? Me too.
Gotta pee, bro.
Y'all, I come to y'all with my last 1%. Your girl did a whole bikini change. I swapped them over each other at the beach, changed out my belly button piercing and some mo. Like, was not playing around. And it was nice because it let me like actually finish my stuff quickly. But I got photos and some videos real quick in both suits. And now I'm about to spray myself. I don't really need sunscreen right now, but I'm about to just lay out and actually enjoy these moments. Life too cute right now. This is the second suit. I'm in love with it. Let me not do too much for YouTube. And then the other one was like a racer one that y'all saw. I'm by a tree. But yeah, I'm gonna check the photos and videos real quick. As long as I have like a couple I know I can use. And then we got ATVs first thing in the morning at like 7 a.m. So yeah, but that's it. My phone gonna die. Got pineapple and alcoholic pouches and good vibes. Whew.